My name is Matthew Douglas. I've been with Hogan Design Construction for a little over a year now. I started out as a skilled laborer, and I've slowly shifted into more of a carpenter's apprentice role. So working at Hogan Design Construction has been my first real step into the construction industry. My last couple of jobs that I had were in emergency response industry, dealing with water losses, fire, and mold in commercial and residential businesses. So those kind of prepared me for this sort of work. It was a lot of demolition, occasionally some rebuilds and stuff like that. The big difference though between Hogan and those companies is definitely got to be the employees themselves. Everybody seems to be looking out for everybody. Everybody's trying to get the best from everybody and reach good conclusions.